Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by verifying your Chromebook supports Linux Beta and that you're signed into your Google account. Once done, enable Linux in Settings so you can install command line tools. You should create or sign into your GitHub account and enable two-factor authentication to protect access. Then install a lightweight Git client or the GitHub web app from the Chrome Web Store as an interim step, so you can access repositories while preparing the full development setup. Now you'll configure Git and secure SSH access. Open the Linux terminal and install Git so commands like clone and push work reliably. Next, generate an SSH key with a strong algorithm and a descriptive email comment. Save it to the default location and use a passphrase for safety. After that, copy the public key and add it to your GitHub account's SSH settings so authentication is seamless. Finally, test the connection so GitHub recognizes your Chromebook before moving to IDE setup. Finish by choosing an editor and syncing your work. Install Visual Studio Code through Linux or use GitHub Codespaces in the browser for instant development. Both integrate with Git and terminals. Clone your repository, then set Git config user, name and user. Email so commits are attributed. Push and pull to confirm sync. If something breaks, check the SSH agent is running and file permissions are correct. Confirm Linux storage has space. And as a fallback, use HTTPS cloning with credential helper to bypass SSH issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.